Hey guys, today we want to share with you something really cool. You can see she's been losing teeth like crazy, so we needed this.
And I have a wiggly when I hit, so we better need this a lot.
Yes.
Because every time I lose a tooth, another tooth gets wiggly.
So we needed a solution for the tooth fairy, of course. So we got this cute little hanger. So it is made out of wood here. So what does it say?
It says, "Tooth fairy, please stop here." Yeah, I kind of need this because one time my tooth went down the drain.
Yes, so can you hold it right here real quick?
Yep.
And then you are going to get a little baggie as well and a little container so the tooth fairy can find the tooth so easily.
But then how would she get the top off?
She's got magic. So you can put the tooth right in there. And that's made out of glass with a cork top. And then you have this cute little fabric bag.
So you like put this in here, and if it's a school day, you could just bring this there. And then instead of a necklace or like a little tooth thing that opens, you could use this. And this is way cooler than that, trust me.
Yes, so you're gonna simply go like this, and then you're gonna hang this on the door, and then you're gonna hang your tooth right from there. So we're gonna go ahead and hang this on the door and show you what it looks like. So we got our door right here, so we're gonna go ahead and hang this right here. And then we're gonna hang the little tooth bag on the bottom there. So we're waiting for the tooth fairy.